Step one, we need you to define your vision. I want you to get clarity on your long-term goals. You really have to have a vision for the business that you can see, that you're bought into. Because when you have a vision, you can get other people bought into it too. So let's start today beginning with the end in mind. I want you to identify what success looks like for you. What does beyond the tools actually look like? Imagine what the lifestyle is, what the income is, what your day-to-day is, and imagine all of the jobs, tasks that you can complete when you're not doing the delivery. As an exercise, what I'd love you to do is write down delivery, and I'd like you to write down development. And then I want you to, as a percentage, show me how much time you're spending in your business doing delivery tasks, working in your business. And then I want you to write down as a percentage how much time you're spending on development, because you have to know where your time is being spent. And for many of you, it will be 90% delivery, 10% development. And the aim of the game as we transition off the tools is to move the needle in favor of development. You've got to start working on your business, not in your business, or you're going to wake up in 10 years doing the exact same thing.